Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy if you are tuning in for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining in once again. So in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make OHA soup. So keep watching if you are interested in learning how to make this delicious soup, and please leave a comment in the comment section, like, share and subscribe. So guys, our meat is ready. So we have our dried fish deboned, dried panla, our meat. I'm using chicken for this soup today, and our stockfish. This has been properly cooked. So right now I'll go in and add pepper and oil, then I'll leave to boil after. I also have my blended uziza seed. Go in and pour that in. This gives it a distinct taste and aroma. I've discovered that. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to mix this together, then I'll leave to boil. Go in and add my ACHI. ACHI is the thickener that is used for this. I think you can also use cocoyam to thicken this, but I make use of ACHI, and this is what ACHI looks like. So I'm just going to go in and add this to thicken the soup. So guys, you can always decide to add more ACHI to your soup. It depends on the thickness level that you want. For me, I think this is okay because it's still going to get thickened when it gets colder. So I don't want it to be too thick. I think this is okay. As you can see, it's now thicker than it was initially. So all I have to do right now is go in with our olive, already washed. So I'm just going to go in and put this into the pot. So our soup is ready. Leave in the comment section what you like to have this soup with, what swallow you like to have this soup with, if you are the one being given this soup. Until next time, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.